lecture topic is India-Israel relation. So, India and Israel relation is a bilateral relation between the two countries, and it is from the ancient time. They both get independence from the British rule at the same time, but chooses the different path. As the Israel choose to be the partner of the USA, and India decided to be non-aligned, and India recognized the Israel as an independent country in 1950, and also provide Israel to consulate the Mumbai for the easy facilitation of the Indian Jews to Israel. And in 1992, India established full diplomatic relation with the Israel, and Israel openly supported the India for the first time in Kargil War in 1991 by providing it the ammunition and the humanitarian aid. In 2011 earthquake, Israel dispatched the emergency delegation team for the 2 weeks and to provide the humanitarian relief. So, if we talk about the major area of cooperation, it is mainly in three areas. For the first is defense, second is agriculture, and the third one is space. In 2011, the Israeli Falcon AWACS and thousands of X-95 assault rifles for the special forces are given by the Israel, and also that during the first 2 years the demand was raised for the Swordfish ground radar system and the precision guided artillery. So in November 2014, on the long range surface to air missile, the Israel and the India both developed the Brak-8 missile, and also India signed a $1 billion purchase for the 8,350 Spiker anti-tank guided missile. So recently India has signed the 8,000 crore deal for procurement of 1649779 NEGAV LMG light machine gun. And the second field in which India and Israel both are working is the agricultural field, and the cooperation can be seen by the recent steps taken by the government in the Rajasthan. The olive seeds production has been established in the district of the Rajasthan, and also the cooperation in the field of agriculture has been from a decade now, and now beginning with the establishment of. So India over the years got the immense benefit from the Israel expertise in the field of horticulture, nursery management, canopy management, dairy farming, and micro irrigation. These are the mainly part of the agriculture, and many of the Indian states are also seeking the new technology of the drip irrigation system of Israel. So talking about the space, both the countries signed the agreement on the space cooperation on the November 2002, and recently an agreement was signed on between two countries for the development of the electric propulsion system for the small satellites. Last year, the Israel also took the help of India in their moon mission. So talking about the economy, in the economy, the bilateral relation between both the country is at $5.2 US billion, and in the year of 2016 to 17, Israel is the third largest trading partner of the India after the China and Hong Kong, and Israel import the the stones and the metal from the India, and India imports the chemical and the mineral product from the Israel, giving the way forward. After the PM visit to the Israel on 2017, our bilateral relations got converted into the strategic partnership relations, and also Israel is helping many issues in the world affair for the India.